Hey everyone, welcome to Kingna. Today, we've got a list of 10 project cars you can grab from Facebook Marketplace. These classic cars are in need of some TLC, but they're full of potential. Prices range from $800 to a few $1,000s, and all of them are waiting to be restored. But if you're on the hunt for your next restoration project, stick around because these deals might be just what you're looking for. Car number 1, 1958 Oldsmobile 88 Sedan 4-door, $3,500. Located in Pella, Iowa, this 58 Oldsmobile 88 is a solid car with tons of chrome that's all intact. The engine is currently stuck, but it's there. This classic is in need of a complete overhaul, making it an excellent project car. If you're ready for a big restoration job, this Olds could be a great pick. Car number 2, 1976 Lincoln Continental Signature Sedan 4-door, $5,000. From Staunton, Virginia, this 76 Lincoln Continental has only 62,000 original miles and has been garage kept most of its life. While it's in very good condition for a project car, it still requires some attention to bring it back to its former glory. This all-original Lincoln is a great find for anyone looking for a luxurious restoration. Car number 3, 1961 Buick Special, $3,000. This Buick Special, located in Columbia, Tennessee, comes with a 215 V8 engine. It runs but needs tuning, particularly with the carburetor, which is too big right now. It's already had some work done, like new brake cylinders, rebuilt master cylinder, and a new coil, but it's still a work in progress. Definitely a hot rod project for someone with the time and tools. Car number 4, 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, $2,800. Located in Atlanta, Georgia, this 69 Chevelle has a new distributor and ignition coil. The gas tank and trunk pan are rusted, but come with replacements that just need to be installed. There's no major rust elsewhere, making this a solid project car with lots of potential. Ideal for someone looking for a classic muscle car project. Car number 5, 1972 Opel GT, $4,800. This 72 Opel GT in Alvaton, Kentucky is almost ready for the road, but it still needs some work. It has a Chevy 4.3 V6 engine, and while it ran recently, the carb needs to be redone. It comes with a clean Kentucky title and could be a fantastic project for someone who enjoys working on unique European sports cars. Opel GTs are rare to find, and this one already has a lot of mods done, making it a cool project for the right person. Car number 6, 1949 Plymouth P18 Special Deluxe, $3,800. This 49 Plymouth, found in Mitchell, Indiana, is in running condition, but has some rust issues, especially in the rockers and chassis crossmember. The steering is loose and the shifter can be tricky, but it comes with a lot of extra parts, including transmissions and engines. It's a good project car for someone looking for a vintage ride with character. Car number 7, 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, $3,500. Listed in Laurel, Indiana, this 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe comes with a flathead 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed transmission. It needs some carburetor work, but is otherwise a solid project. With a clean Indiana title, this could be a great restoration for someone looking for a vintage 1950s cruiser. Car number 8, 1952 Studbaker Commander, $5,000. This 1952 Studbaker Commander in Reading, Pennsylvania is all steel and has the original 232 V8 with a Borg-Warner transmission. It needs a new fuel pump and will need to be towed, but it's otherwise in decent shape for a project. This classic Studebaker could make an excellent addition to any restoration enthusiast's garage. Car number 9, 1962 Chrysler Imperial Sedan, $800. This 62 Chrysler Imperial, located in Concord, North Carolina, was originally bought for scrap but is now being sold as a parts car. It's got an engine and transmission, but it likely won't run. While it may not be restorable for $800, it's a solid source of parts for other Imperial projects. Car number 10, 1964 Pontiac Bonville, $4,500. Last but not least, we've got a 1964 Pontiac Bonville located in Quincy, Kentucky. It's a roller, meaning it has no engine or transmission, but it's an excellent candidate for an LS swap. It has new brakes and wheel bearings, and the body is in great shape with minimal rust. If you're up for the challenge, this Bonneville could become something special. So there you have it, 10 amazing project cars with tons of potential, each one waiting for someone to bring them back to life. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome classic car content. See you next time on Kingna.